In this guide, we will explore the 2025 ACURA MDX Fuse Box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2025 ACURA MDX? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? Engine compartment fuse box A. The engine compartment fuse box is located in the engine bay and houses fuses that protect major electrical systems like the ignition, cooling fan, and headlights. It typically includes a labeled diagram for easy fuse identification and replacement. Engine compartment fuse box B. Fuse box B in the engine compartment manages secondary electrical systems, including sensors and auxiliary functions, with clearly labeled fuses for quick access. Driver's side interior fuse box type A. The driver's side interior fuse box protects electrical components inside the vehicle, including lights, airbags, and interior electronics. It helps manage power distribution for essential features like climate control and infotainment systems. Easy access for maintenance and fuse replacement. Driver's side interior fuse box type B. The driver's side interior fuse box type B protects electrical components like lights, power windows, and audio systems. It ensures reliable circuit control and easy access for maintenance. Passenger side interior fuse box. The passenger side interior fuse box protects and manages circuits for features like air conditioning, infotainment, and other passenger side electronics. It ensures efficient operation and easy troubleshooting of electrical systems. Rear fuse box type A. The rear fuse box Type A controls and protects circuits for rear electrical components like taillights, rear wipers, and power outlets. It ensures proper functionality and easy maintenance of rear-end systems. Rear fuse box Type B. The rear fuse box Type B manages and safeguards electrical circuits for features like rear seat controls, auxiliary power, and lighting. It ensures efficient performance and reliable protection for rear cabin and cargo area systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.